Well, good evening, my ladies and my gents. As I start recording this, my happy little clock says it's almost 8:15 in the evening. UPS just a little not 10 minutes ago. And I thought I would do a what did you buy Wednesday and start with a something I don't haven't usually done, and that's a complete unboxing of what I got. Yeah, you can see it's kind of long. What we got is from HobbyLinc. I ordered some supplies, and so thought I'd kind of show what I got here. Yeah, I ordered a bunch of paper. So, yeah, sometimes I think they go a little overboard. Okay, I was looking at this. It didn't look like it was maybe quite, but it didn't leak. Got a new bottle of thinner. The other one I bought, I don't know, a year ago, and it's about half gone. I thought I'd go ahead and update it. I didn't realize these were quite, almost 18 inches long. 0.6 by 0.8, 0.06 by 0.08, or 1.5 by 2 millimeter styrene strips. Let me go ahead and zoom that in just a little. I got some plans for that instead of the 2 by 2 millimeter, 1.5 by 2. So plan on doing some stuff with like frame that go under a car where I'm redoing the bottom. Got a couple of these. Let's see, get that under there. These are aluminum tube, and each one fits one inside the other, and they work really well for stuff that you need. Like you want something to telescope in and out, like you're doing a drive shaft, for instance, and you wind up with needing to be able to get the rear end in, and you got the engine in, and you need to get the drive shaft in, and you're doing a custom drive shaft. You can't just cram it in, so you have to, and plus it makes it look more real. You put one in the other, and you slide it in, you get it in place, and then you slide it back out, and you mount it up, and it works real well. And this is, get it up here to the camera where you can, there we go, this stuff here. And works really well for custom drive shafts. So where's the other? Oh, I put it over here. And I also got a couple of tubes, 6 millimeter tube. I thought there was 3 in there, but I guess there's only one. Or not 3 millimeter. It's that's 0.475. Then I got 6 millimeter. Huh. Well, let me take a quick look. Got this. Yeah, apparently. Must have got the wrong. I thought I was getting 6 millimeter, but yeah, that'll work. That makes a nice replacement for some of the stock exhaust pipes on trucks. I was thinking I was getting the 6 millimeter, which would be 6-inch, but that'll still look better than the other. Then I got a bunch of paint. Where'd my knife go? There you are. So cut the tape anyway. Just getting up some back stock. A couple of bottles of Tamiya all Tamiyas X22. That's the clear gloss. Love having that stuff. It really brings out a nice shine. Go over it with a cloth and and a paper towel, and then you just wind up getting a real nice shine. And then I go over it frequently. We'll go over it with turtle wax, good old turtle wax, like you get from your local auto parts store, Walmart, that you put on your car. Oh, let's see. This is a whole bunch of stuff. Gotta, let's see, we got, yeah, semi-gloss, black gloss, uh, another one of each. I got 2 of each of those. And then I got this one. This one looked really interesting. It's a black green. It is a very, very dark green. I thought it'd go really nice with something as with a dark green pickup, for example, or dark green Ford. I don't know. Let me grab this out of my stash. Maybe something like this, with this being dark green and the fenders being this black green. I think that might look pretty sharp, something on that order. So, but I'm going to get out of here. B-Tex, signing out.